Hello everyone! Welcome to Neural Network News. Today I will be sharing the latest updates on artificial intelligence and its advancements. So, let's dive right into the news. The enhanced version of an AI camera, known as GenPCam, can be described as a device that captures images during a journey. Its functioning is based on the following principles. The camera captures the image. The user chooses a preset mode. Based on the selected mode, relevant prompts are generated. The user receives the converted output. This neuro camera incorporates two unique features for capturing images during a journey. 1. Describe. It takes a photo as input and generates textual descriptions based on the visual cues in the image. 2. Imagine. It converts natural language prompts into corresponding images. Amecaa, an android, has acquired a new capability, the ability to produce drawings. However, her current skill level still falls short of creating masterful works of art.
Whether it's a cuddle when we're feeling down, or a playful scratch behind the ears when we need a big meal, they are always there for us. I think that's why so many of us love them so much. I don't get it. I think they're cute.
OpenAI developers are working on a significant update for their chatbot, ChatGPT, aiming to enhance its AI capabilities. Currently, ChatGPT enables users to communicate solely through text. However, the upcoming update will empower it to edit documents, solve mathematical problems, create graphs, and provide various other functionalities. It's worth noting that access to these new features will be limited to users with a paid Plus subscription. The neural network used for Wonder AI films is now accessible to the public. A pair of enthusiasts have taken it upon themselves to modify iconic scenes using this technology. Ledits is an AI-based service designed to modify graphics using DDPM, differentiable patch match, and semantic guidance. Users can upload an appropriate image, provide a text command, and receive a new picture as the output. Currently, the use of matte painting and space manipulation in cinema has become highly extensive. Advanced simulations, realistic graphics, and camera movement tracking techniques enable the creation of highly accurate illusions during post-production. However, it wasn't always this way. In the absence of computers, filmmakers relied on various tricks. For static shots, they would place glass in front of the camera, on which they would artistically finish elements that were not present in the frame. This technique gave birth to the first post-apocalyptic and fantasy worlds. When I came across a selection of matte painting from old movies on YouTube, it struck me. The generative fill feature in the new version of Photoshop is the perfect tool for creating entire location pieces. The results of my experiment can be seen above. Thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content in our upcoming videos. See you next time.